Understanding flashbacks in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating aspect of the English language, flashbacks. Not to be confused with the cinematic technique, a flashback in everyday English has a special significance. So, if you're ready to expand your vocabulary and grasp this interesting concept, stay with us as we explore the world of flashbacks together. A flashback is a term that originally comes from literature and film, where it describes a scene that interrupts the present story to take the viewer back to a previous time. But in everyday English, when someone mentions having a flashback, it means they are experiencing a sudden and often vivid memory of a past event. It's like a quick trip back in time within one's mind, which can be triggered by a sight, sound, smell, or even a feeling that resembles something from the past. Flashbacks can be emotional or neutral. Emotional flashbacks involve strong feelings. They might take someone back to a moment of great joy or excitement, such as recalling the day they graduated when hearing a familiar graduation march. But they can also be unpleasant, as they may involve traumatic events. Neutral flashbacks are more like random memories that pop up without a strong emotional attachment. For instance, smelling a certain type of food and remembering a meal from childhood. When using the word flashback, it's often accompanied by the word have or experience. For example, I had a flashback of my vacation when I saw the beach photo. She experienced a flashback to her childhood when she visited her old school. It can also be used more creatively to describe a situation that feels like it's from another time, such as, walking into the vintage cafe, I felt like I was having a flashback to the 1960s. In everyday conversation, people may not always use the term flashback formally. They might say things like, "That song just took me back to high school. Wow, this tastes just like my grandma's cooking. It's like I'm a kid again." These expressions convey the idea of a flashback without using the term directly. And there you have it. A look into the intriguing concept of flashbacks in the English language. Whether you're reliving a precious memory or getting a glimpse of an ordinary moment from the past, understanding and using the term flashback can enrich your English conversations. We hope this video has been enlightening and that you're now more confident in talking about your own flashbacks. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.